panelists, distinguished speakers, faculty members, staff members, and all delegates to Bhilai Institute of Technology, first autonomous technical institute of Chhattisgarh, which is affiliated to CSVTU Bhilai, and to the inaugural ceremony of AICT CSVTU MOU Teachers Training Program on Machine Learning using Python in virtual mode, which is organized by Department of CSE from 26th May to 31st May 2021. Teachers training programs are an educational rendezvous emphasizing on intelligent learning and exchange of information among its participants. Sharing about the host department, Department of Computer Science and Engineering is in BIT Durg was established in 1998. Presently, the department conducts BE, MTech and PhD courses. BTech CSE program of department is accredited by National Board of Accreditation and institute has NAC A certification too. The vision of department is to provide a cutting-edge learning environment and nurture talent to produce world-class computer professionals with ethical values who could excel in industry and research. The mission is to promote peace, prosperity, and growth in society by producing competent computer professionals with strong ethics through quality learning, teaching learning process by experienced faculty and latest infrastructure. This AICT CSVTU Teachers Training Program is one-week program organized with the objective of bringing together faculty members, researchers, developers, and practitioners from academia and industry working in all areas of science and technology. We hope that this teachers training program will lead to more technical studies and contribute to further methodological developments with innovative ideas in science and technology in the field of machine learning and deep learning concepts for solving real-world problems. Battle of life are not won by people who are strong and deserving, but sometimes won by people who believe in their dreams. So, believing in our dreams come true, we pray Almighty God to give us all the success and light up the lamp of our dreams and aspiration and move us from the darkness to lightness of success and positive attitude. I request our esteemed HOD Madam, Dr. M.V. Padmavati Madam, and to kindly inaugurate this teachers training program on machine learning using Python with lighting the lamp before Goddess Saraswati. Madam, please. Thank you, Madam. Success is about who you are, not what you have. Successful people work to discover their talents and to develop those talents and to use those talents to benefit others as well as themselves. It's a matter of great honor to have with us a great persona, our guest of honor, Colonel B. Venkat Sir, Director AICT. The multitude welcomes you, sir. Again, it's an honor to have with us our chief guest, an intellectual with excellent academic record, Dr. M.K. Verma Sir, Honorable Vice Chancellor, CSVTU Bhilai. I would like to take this opportunity to express our gratitude for honoring our invitation to be the chief guest of this function. I, on behalf of Computer Science and Engineering, BIT, welcomes you both. Success is a process, not an event. A successful individual under whose guidance and time-to-time support these FDPs scale upwards. Now, it's my pleasure to welcome Dr. R.N. Khare Sir, Coordinator, CSVTU, AICT FDP. Dr. R.N. Khare Sir is appointed as a principal at Vishwavidyalaya Engineering College, Lakhanpur, a constituent college of Chhattisgarh Swami Vivekanand Technical University, Bhilai. May I request Dr. R.N. Khare Sir to deliver his words. Sir, please.
Thank you, madam. सबसे पहले सभी लोगों को नमस्कार and a very warm good morning to all of you. And it is a great honor on the occasion of Buddha Purnima that today our chief guest, Honorable Vice Chancellor, Professor M.K. Verma Sir, is present. And I welcome you, sir. And our guest of honor, Colonel B. Venkatji sir, is also present here. I welcome you, sir, Director, Faculty Development Council from AICT New Delhi. And Project Monitoring Committee Chairman, Professor SPS Matharu Saab, NIT Raipur, Dr. R.N. Patel from NIT Raipur, and Dr. Manoj Verma, Technical University, Bhilai. Patron of the program, Dr. K.K. Verma ji, and Dr. Arun Arora, Dr. Mohan Gupta ji, Principal, BIT Durg. And coordinator of this particular very beautiful online one-week training program, Dr. Partha Rao and Dr. M.V. Padmavati, who is the head of the department, the Computer Science Engineering Department, and the eminent speakers, media, and dear participants. It is very indeed an honor for me to be here on this inaugural ceremony of one-week online teachers training program. Actually, we are the host institute on behalf of Technical University. So on this inaugural ceremony of one-week online teachers training program, I welcome you all. And this program is being organized by BIT Durg under the umbrella of Technical University, under the AICT CSV2, this Memorandum of Understanding for Teachers Training Program 2021. The objective of this MOU is basically defined to conduct this teachers training program for faculty members to prepare them for basic successful in knowledge society. Yeah, this is my moral responsibility to introduce about our Technical University being host of university, because most of the participants are from many places of out of Chhattisgarh state. So Technical University has been established in year 2005 by Act 2004 of the legislature passed by the Chhattisgarh State Government Assembly. It is having its own institute ordinance regulation, and which is being published by the state government budget on 24 January 2005. And this was program was totally inaugurated at that time by Honorable Prime Minister Dr. Manmohan Singh on April 30th, 2005. We are having 44 engineering colleges, 18 pharmacy colleges, 40 polytechnic colleges, and 1 architecture college under its affiliation. The university is also having very good recipient of Emerging Technology University Award. And it gives me immense pleasure to address this technical teachers training program, which is also called the Faculty Development Training Program, especially after our Honorable Vice Chancellor Sir has put immense emphasis on the importance of this training program, both for young and experienced faculty members, especially for improving the quality of technical education, for self-career development, and for meeting the objective of this new education policy 2020, and for better employability of our stakeholder, which are our students. The focus of this teachers training program is mainly the area which is being covered on this particular program, which pedagogical aspect is being covered, subject aspect, domain subject, moral values, leadership and innovation, creativity, especially in this librarian science and academic point of view, The participants are selected from all over the India. I welcome all the participants. At the outset, I would like to thankful to our Honorable Vice Chancellor, Sir, Professor M.K. Verma ji, to this inaugural session. Again, Sir has recently won the prestigious CIGR Exemplary Academic Leadership Award 2021, not only for the academic point of view, even though for extraordinary work which he has been carried out in the field of education, employment, and Atmanirbhar, which is called self-reliance of India. It is evident to all in Chhattisgarh that due to Sir hard work of our Honorable Vice Chancellor, the AICT has signed this MOU with Technical University for conducting each year 11 teachers training program. Every year, 10 for faculty and 1 for librarian. For consecutive 3 years, that is in all 33 teachers training program will be carried out in all these three years. As per MOU, this teachers training program is the second one for this financial year 2021. The first one is already being done at Viswavidyalaya Engineering Lakhanpur in May 2021 under the Honorable Vice Chancellor, sir. But most importantly, I would like to address the participant, tell them about the hard work and initiative taken by our Honorable Vice Chancellor, sir. This goes behind this particular teachers training program. He is the only single driving force under the guidance of Professor Verma ji. Definitely, we have done a lot of work to get the real objective of this teachers training program. The AICT MOU with CSB2 is personally signed by our Honorable Vice Chancellor, sir, and AICT Chairman Dr. Anil Sahasrabuddhe on 19th February 19. In the Viswavidyalaya Engineering College Lakhanpur teachers training program, when AICT Chairman was present, he gave all the credit and praised the support and cooperation and expertise extended by our Honorable Vice Chancellor, sir, to AICT. If we happen to listen to Sir speak on quality of technical education in India and in Chhattisgarh and the objective of this national education policy, you will be enlightened about the knowledge and vision of our Honorable Vice Chancellor, sir. Definitely, all the teachers and students will be benefited under the guidance of VC, sir. And another example is that in entire India, the work of translating the AICT question bank to Hindi language, which was given to Honorable Vice Chancellor, and I think it is the first university in the entire India who has translated this English version to Hindi language, including Rajiv Gandhi Technical University, Bhopal. About 23,000 questions has been translated in Hindi language. So entire credit goes to our Honorable Vice Chancellor, sir. He also handles many AICT quality initiative like this NITTT, National Initiative for Technical Teachers Training Program, which is mandatory for the purpose of promotion and regularization of all the faculty, including private colleges and government colleges. Also he has reformed the implementation of the examination reforms. As per the instruction of our Honorable Vice Chancellor, sir, it is my moral responsibility being a coordinator of CSB2. I would like to reiterate to the organizers, which is BIT, to guidelines to be followed for the teachers training program. The online teachers training program has to be provided a grant of 93,000 rupee by AICT, and for offline program, the total grant of ₹3 lakh divided equally between CSB2 and AICT. Minimum number of participants is expected to be participating, which is 40. The participants have to maintain an attendance of 80%. So mind it, all the participants, it is very compulsory guidelines which is given by our Honorable Vice Chancellor and University and AICT as well. Participants have to maintain an attendance of 80% and score at least 60% marks in final test to be conducted in the last session of this BIT 6-week program, 6 days program. The online teachers training program will be for 6 working days, including last day for feedback and test and validity with minimum 40 sessions. So these are some of the important guidelines, and our VC sir and our AICT is also given one instruction that we may also organize offline for non-teaching teachers and non-teaching training program, which will be of 12 working days. So the organizers will have to provide certificate to only those participants which will qualify those criteria. And after the completion of this teachers training program, that we have to submit the utilization certificate along with all will vouchers and certificate screenshot and video of attendance, the feedback gathered. So that has to be taken care of. So this program will have 16 sessions. I am very much happy to the organizer, and every session has feedback link are given. And if any participants remain absent for more than 30 minutes continuously in the online session, he will be marked absent for whole day. So these are the guidelines which is being given by our Honorable Vice Chancellor, sir. PMC committee, which is the project monitoring committee, chairman is Dr. Matharu Saab. is tasked with scrutiny, monitoring, and quality assurance compliance in all the teachers training program. The committee members and Honorable Colonel Saab from AICT may conduct surprise visits on any online training program. So that PMC committee, I am also thankful to PMC committee by the guidance of our Honorable Vice Chancellor sir, has shortlisted 11 teachers training program out of total 22 proposals which are submitted at university for this financial year. I would also like to be thankful to our Colonel Saab, Venkat Saab, Director FDC, AICT New Delhi, and he is responsible for the execution of this teachers training program in coordination with various technical universities all over the country. He has always been very helpful in successful coordination of this teachers training program related work of AICT and Technical University Bhilai. He also handles many AICT quality initiatives and also AICT SLA student learning assignment and a 360-degree feedback and process for implementation of NEP 2020. So again, I am thankful to Colonel Saab and Honorable VC sir. And the last but not the least, the topic machine learning using Python. I congratulate to the organizer of BIT and especially scrutiny committee of PMC, who has really selected this very wonderful and important topic. This Python is not only the language, which is also important to collect the data in the large scale for the town country planning and for the larger statistical people and data scientist persons. So I hope that this TTTB will be very useful, very successful of this 6 days program under the guidance of our Honorable VC sir. And I request all the participants to attend this TTP very attentively and participate in all the sessions. And I congratulate and conclude my prayer to all of you that be safe and stay for this long drawn battle against the pandemic. And wish you all the best. Thank you very much. Thanks. So over to Padmavati madam.
मैडम माइक म्यूट है आपका,
आवाज आपकी नहीं आ रही है, अनम्यूट कर लीजिए मैडम। श्वेता मैडम आवाज नहीं आ रही है आपकी, श्वेता मैडम
अनम्यूट करिए माइक।
Thank you, sir. We always look forward to you for your support and guidance. Outstanding leaders go out of their way to boost their self-esteem of their personnel. If people believe in themselves, it's amazing what they can accomplish. An individual who directs and monitors the academic and non-academic activities, who plans and implements the activities within an educational setup, besides providing guidance to teachers, students, and staff, is head of the department. She has an indomitable spirit to maintain the discipline. May I request Dr. M.B. Padmavati Madam, Head Department of CSE, to deliver her words. Madam, please.
Thank you, Shweta. A very good morning to all. Am I audible to everyone?
Yes, yes, audible.
A very good morning to all. I, Dr. M.V. Padmavati, Dean R&D and HOD CSE, BIT Durg, and co-coordinator of the program, is honored to welcome our chief guest and Vice Chancellor Sir CSVTU, Honorable M.K. Verma Sir, guest of honor Colonel B. Venkat Sir, Director FDC, AICTE, New Delhi, Dr. R.N. Khare Sir, Coordinator CSVTU, AICTE, FDP, and Principal VEC Lakhanpur, Dr. Arun Arora Sir, Director BIT Durg, he is not here due to busy schedule. So Dr. Mohan Gupta Sir, Principal BIT Durg, Dr. B.N. Patel Sir, Member Monitoring Committee FDP, Dr. Matharu Sir, NIT Raipur, Dr. Partha Roy, Coordinator FDP, all faculty members of CSE Department, BIT Durg, and all our participants. I welcome you all to this 1-week online AICTE MOU Teachers Training Program on machine learning using Python, and will be organized from today, 26th May to 31st May 2021. Let me give a preamble to this event, which is made possible with persistent efforts of our VC Sir, who is catalyzing the activities to enhance overall knowledge of faculty members and students of this university in spite of successive COVID-19 lockdowns that slowed the pace of learning activity. We are honored to have with us today the guest of honor, Colonel B. Venkat sir, who is driving force behind these kind of faculty development programs at AICTE level. We are also privileged to have with us Dr. R.N. Khare sir. He continuously supported and encouraged and guided us for this event, and B.N. Patel sir for continuously monitoring us with their inputs. I am thankful to Dr. Arun Arora sir and Dr. Mohan Gupta sir for providing leadership to BIT Durg, which brought autonomy to the institute and also NBA accreditation to all 7 UG programs. BIT Durg is offering BTech, MCA, MBA, and MTech and PhD in various disciplines. It is a pleasant coincidence that the enlightening event is being held on Buddha Purnima Day. This event is particularly conceived to introduce a sunrise stream, that is machine learning, which emphasizes on hands-on creation of model, with emphasis on hands-on creation of models using Python language. Machine learning has a lot of scope and applications in almost all fields, which includes all the branches of engineering, science, medicine, governance, security. The list is endless. So every person with some logic can easily work on machine learning and apply in their respective fields. In earlier days, we used to study the limitations of computers as having no intelligence of their own. But nowadays, we need the systems that can do the things by using their own intelligence, like recommending systems in Amazon, auto navigation systems for cars, automated prescription for patients, defense applications for tracking and destroying missiles, and so on and so forth. For these activities, similar to the humans, we give knowledge and data to the systems that learn and develop their intelligent models. In this event, the experts will teach you how to design intelligent systems using simple language Python. There will be 16 sessions, out of which 14 are technical sessions and 2 are sessions on new educational policy. Will be taken by the Colonel B. Venkat sir and Dr. B.N. Patel sir in total, and the program will continue for 6 days. Each session is aimed at giving hands-on knowledge to our participants. There are around 1,600 participants who applied, who registered for the program, but it will be difficulty to handle so many participants, so we have selected only 100. We have applied many filters. I hope this program will be fruitful for all the participants. Thank you one and all for logging into the program. Please stay tuned. Thank you one and all. Thank you once again.
Thank you, madam. The company of good people is like a shop of perfumes. Whether you buy it or not, you receive lots of fragrance. A highly influential and prompt personality who always mentored us to correct track. A perfect combo of discipline and punctuality. Dr. M.K. Gupta sir, Principal BIT, under whom BIT is flourishing in N dimensions, and without his cooperation, this teachers training program could not be conducted smoothly. May I request Dr. M.K. Gupta sir to kindly address the gathering. Sir, please.
A very good morning to all of you. Respected Dr. M.K. Verma Sirji, Honorable Vice Chancellor, CSVTU Bhilai, and Chief Guest of today's program, Colonel B. Venkatji, Director of Faculty Development Cell at AICTE, and Guest of Honor of today's program, Dr. R.N. Khare, Principal, Vishwavidyalaya Engineering College, Lakhanpur, and CSVTU Coordinator of this program, Dr. Madharu sir, and other eminent experts from IITs, NITs, IIITs, and other reputed universities, Dr. Padmavati and Dr. Partho Rai, coordinators of this program, and above all, my dear participants who are from various parts of this country. It is indeed a special privilege and pleasure for me to welcome you all on behalf of entire BIT fraternity to this 1-week online teachers training program on machine learning using Python. Ours is an autonomous institute which is affiliated to CSVTU Bhilai and approved by AICT New Delhi. All 7 branches of our institute are accredited by NBA, and we are also ranked by NIRF in the rank band 251 to 300. We are also A grade approved accredited institute by NAC. In the past, we have been conducting several programs in association with CSVTU and with AICT on topics of recent interests and developments that are useful for our faculty members as well as our students also. We believe in providing opportunities to our faculty members to keep themselves updated with whatever development is going on in their field of interest, which ultimately benefits our students also in keeping themselves updated with the latest trends and development in technology. This is an emerging area, machine learning and Python, which has interdisciplinary applications, and I am sure the various experts who will be delivering the lecture, they will throw light on various ins and outs of the machine learning, Python and its various applications in different fields. In fact, the way we humans learn, we learn from our past experiences. In the same way, our brain collects the data, then it stores the data, it interprets the data, it analyzes the data from our past experience. In the same way, in machine learning, we make machine to learn from data without any human intervention. The larger the data set, the more precise will be the output. However, this output also depends upon the efficiency of the algorithm which analyzes this data. Python is no doubt a very simple and a very good programming language that makes the work of writing the algorithm simpler and easier. I hope our experts during the course of these 5 days will throw enough light on various topics so that the participants get enough exposure to further develop themselves into a machine learning expert and make our students an efficient machine learning professional. One small thing that I would like to highlight here is the importance of research in this area. Although we are training the machine using certain data sets, if a case arises for which the machine has not been trained at all, will our machine be able to handle that data? Will the algorithm be able to interpret that case, handle that situation? A lot of research is going on all over the world in this area to handle all these issues, and I insist that our faculty members should also indulge themselves into research in all these areas. Finally, I am thankful to AICT and to CSVTU for giving our institute this opportunity and for all the support to conduct this teachers training program. I would like to convey my best wishes to the organizing team and to all the participants. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. And we are gratified, and there is much to gain from your words of wisdom. A dream doesn't become reality through magic. It takes sweat, determination, and hard work. One who has dynamic personality, determinant, and who took initiative with innovative thoughts, having leadership quality, is our guest of honor, Dr. Colonel B. Venkat, Director FDC AICT. Colonel B. Venkat is serving Army officer from the technical branch of Electronics and Mechanical Engineering, having done his mechanical engineering from Army institutes. Having nearly 30 years of service experience and served in all possible appointments of command, staff, and instructional across the country and abroad. The officer is presently serving at AICTE and it's handling faculty development related issues and release of grant through AICTE AQIS schemes. The officer has unique distinction of representing India as its technical military attached to Russia. The officer also handles AICTE's quality initiative like National Initiative for Technical Teachers Training, which is mandatory for the purpose of regularization and promotion to all teachers, implementation of examination reforms, AICTE student learning assignment, 360-degree feedback, and processes for implementation of NEP 2020. I kindly request Sir to address the gathering. Sir, please.
Thank you, ma'am. Thanks a lot, Shweta, ma'am. That was very well introduced, and obviously it's a pleasure on my behalf that I get an opportunity to speak and be speaking on one of the very, very important activities or a program being carried out by CSVTU. Honorable Vice Chancellor, sir, with warm regards. And with your due permission, sir, I will not take much time. I do understand and appreciate that activity has to continue after this. With regards to everybody who is logged in, with regards to every resource person, with regard to every participants and the management behind this, the institute and the university, full marks and absolute credits comes to the Vice Chancellor, sir, and Professor Khare, sir, for taking this forward and meticulously planning it down to the last. And very carefully, we have gone about to schedule 11 programs, and one program already been done. This is the other one being done by the Department of Computer Science and Engineering, Bhilai Institute of Technology, Durg. My compliments to you. Congratulations to you for commencing a very beautiful program, machine learning using Python. Ladies and gentlemen, please appreciate and understand that any program which is being done has got a single mandate. And the mandate happens to be spreading the knowledge and the wisdom which each one of us is having within ourselves to far and wide, to make sure that we make our fellow colleagues, we make our research scholars, and subsequently in bargain and in continuity, we make our fellow students that much more capable and competent to face the real world outside. That is the whole purpose when we go about sanctioning these kind of programs. And to that effect, I need to sincerely compliment from AICTE. It's an absolute best wishes to each one who is involved behind this particular program. The complete management of BIT also, if I may say, University Coordinator Khare sir, yes, the Director and the Principal Dr. Arun Arora and Mohan Gupta sir. It is your effort behind this particular program that we are seeing today under the overall guidance of the Honorable Vice Chancellor. The whole agenda, I again said that it's aligned to the national education policy, even though we have got a separate session on the NEP, but it is very important to at least tell everybody that this particular activity of 1 week's online training also is directly contributing to the overall implementable plans of the national education policy. On a parallel laptop, I am also in another session that is about NETF as part of NEP, the National Education Technology Forum. Now, NETF is a direct manifest of NEP for utilization and integration of technology. The whole purpose of NETF as far as NEP is concerned is integration of technology and available e-resources, e-platform, e-tools into your day-to-day teaching and learning activities, and thereby making your teaching that much more comprehensive. So today when we are here and we are using an e-platform and online tools to get together to various peoples, subsequently you are using the various dynamics of this e-platform for ensuring attendance, for ensuring participation, for delivering your talks. I think we are already progressing towards a little bit of contributory points to the national education policy. Well done. It's been an honor being associated with you, and I take a lot of pleasure in complimenting the institute for commencing a very important activity. Participants, I was listening to ma'am speaking before that. I was listening to Khare sir and Mohan Gupta sir also speaking, and I heard that there has been a fair share of interest of people to join this program. So in case if you are one of them who is today logged in with us, request to be that much more connected with a single reason that certificate, yes, it's a byproduct of any activity, but a major concern happens to be go back as a better person after this program. Make sure that you make your parent institute proud. Make sure that you make this current institute and the university proud by going back and spreading the same subject knowledge which you have gained from these programs. Thank you once again, sir. Honorable Vice Chancellor, sir, it was a pleasure speaking with you very much on the same platform, sir. It's an honor, and I consider myself very fortunate enough. And thank you. Thanks to each one of them. I think so I need to mention even Padmavati ma'am's name. Before I even cut down my talk, Padmavati ma'am, it's your show.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir, for your motivational words.
Not at all, ma'am. Thank you.
The more tranquil a man becomes, the greater in his success, his influence, his power for good. The calmness of mind is one of the beautiful jewels of wisdom. Organizing and managing such a program requires contribution from all quarters. A persona who is always supportive for such training, research and development initiative in the college from university is Dr. M.K. Verma, sir. On behalf of BIT Durg, I feel honored to introduce Dr. M.K. Verma ji, who is functioning his duty as Honorable Vice Chancellor, CSVTU Bhilai, Chhattisgarh. Dr. M.K. Verma has a total work experience of 34 years. He had always excelled in his academics by procuring government scholarships throughout, starting from higher secondary school level up to his doctoral course tenure. Dr. Verma's major research accomplished includes PhD course supervisions to 11 PhD scholars awarded with their doctoral degrees, supervision of 6 research projects successfully, MPhil supervision of 3 candidates. Dr. M.K. Verma has 255 research publications in his credit under journal, seminars and conferences in diversified realms of international and national reputes. He authored 15 books with national and international publishers as well as 9 manuals. Also, he owns rights to an awarded patent, while 3 more patents are in application queue. Dr. Verma has been recipient of several awards like Young Scientist Award from MP Cost Agency in 1988, Shiksha Ratna Puraskar in 2009, Who's Who in Science and Engineering 2011 and 2012, Engineer of Year Award 2008 from Institute of Engineers, Renowned Technical Teachers Recognition Award from Institutes of Engineers, Gold Medal for Best Research Paper Presentation, Best Paper Award 2011 from Institute of Engineers, Best Paper Award 2013 AAI BLS Raipur, Best Paper and Presentation Award 2015 CBEES Dubai, Outstanding Faculty Award Venus International Foundation Chennai, India in 2015, Engineer of Year Award in 2018, Tarun Bharat Paryavaran Rakshak Samman, Rajasthan, and many more. Some glimpses of administrative assignment as a Vice Chancellor are regularization of semester exams and declaration of result in time, established digital evaluation systems, winner of Exemplary Academic Leader Award 2021, Center for Educational Research and Growth. And the list not ends here. In academic reformation, his contributions are Faculty Development Plan, establishment of TICIP 3 cell funded by World Bank, started International Journal, establishment of Center of Skill Development and Informal Education, and many more achievements. The FDP enjoys the special support from him, without whom it might not be possible to organize such an event. May we cordially request our chief guest, Dr. M.K. Verma ji, to kindly address the multitude. The gathering is waiting with full ambulance to listen to your motivational words, sir. Sir, please.
Okay, kindly confirm if it is audible enough.
हाँ सर, आवाज आ रही है सर, आवाज आ रही है.
Right. Thank you very much, Madam Sweta, for the very nice way of presenting, and somewhere I found and felt that it is somewhere exaggerated. You see that whenever I am having this responsibility to look after an university, then the greatest achievement I would consider that all my faculties and institutes are dedicated to development of students, and students are coming out with a great depth of knowledge and capacity to serve the society at various levels. So the greatest or the real challenge is ahead of me, and I'm sure that till now I had not achieved it, and I cannot it without the great and wholehearted support of my institution, principals, faculty, and students. So this is all the achievements which we are targeting along with AICT that needs a very integrated and very involved way of working. And somewhere in some of the institutes, I am feeling it has been being generated and people are coming up with their heart. They are working by their hand, but behind the working of hand, their heart is there. That is the most important for success of any deeds we do in the life. So that is how I am getting a pleasure that this type of initiative, this type of involvement by the heart in the day-to-day and needed activities is coming up. That is what we bring for it. Until and unless any work we do, it is not being driven by the heart, its results are not up to the mark. So anyway, today's inaugural function for the 6 days FDP is having very nice and upcoming area which needs to be explored and proliferated further by our faculties and students. And last week I was going through the news, and there Lebanon, it has entered later on, but Israel and Hamas was initially. And there I have seen glimpses of the technology that whatever the rockets were launched, strike by the Hamas, the same was being captured in the air and it was destroyed by the dome, Iron Dome. So that is the name they had given. Interceptor missiles which were destroyed in the air without much harm to the people, and before reaching to the target, it was destroyed. So this is how one of the greatest example of automatic learning and self-guiding, where the target is moving, where dynamism there, how it is being tracked and how it is being changing, capable to change its own path so that it will be striking in the air and it will be destroying it. So this is how one of the glimpses which today's topic is also providing certain basis of it, that is machine learning. In the dynamism conditions, whatever the data are coming, that is being explored, analyzed, and immediately the decision by the machine itself is being taken. Which direction, what speed, how it has to move, it is being guided. So this is all outcomes of the machine learning. Similar way, I remember in 93, 94, this was Iran-Iraq war. So during the wars, we are able to see, and we are fortunate enough to have Colonel Saab with us. And I do have great time, much more time to work with him from the AICT in various capacities, in various committees. So the way he takes it, it is something new for the academics one, that he is always having a target, he is always having the plan, he is always having the way in which we can achieve it. So that particular modality of converting and trying to reach to the goal, it is an impetus not only to the AICT, but through the AICT, it is coming down to all faculty developments and whatever the portfolio he is looking after. So that is my own experience and feeling that something which we had also recognized and it has impressed us, and somewhere it has motivated us to do the work in the same fashion. So anyway, today's subject and its coverage I was going through, that it is going to have this Python, its basis, and details of Python, its dictionary, learning basis, NumPy and Pandas for loading and cleaning. Similarly, supervised, unsupervised learning, model evaluation, model development. This is all along with neural network coverage is there. Apart from this, good component which I felt that we had a target and vision of the country that we have to go for national education policy. It is to be implemented in its true sense so that it can overall change the scenario of education throughout the country. And we are dreaming by this education policy that the students who are coming up through this particular set, they will be proving to have a greater and wide knowledge, not from the domain of its, not from its domain knowledge only, but the social and all aspects knowledge. Because of this, in national education policy, the subjects of different domains are to be made available by every university, whether it is history, whether it is astrology, whether it is science, whether it is arts, commerce, law, like that, a variety of things which a student, a person who is getting education, he is supposed to have an exposure and idea about what is going on in the society, how it is being given in totality by different domains of knowledge, not only the specialization which he or particularly the candidate is doing. So an engineer is always needed to have the first thing, knowledge of economy, then history of the country, history of the technology, their development. And by the history you will be knowing, and surprising that the developmental of the science and technology is always boosted during the war period. That is the history. How the crisis come and how all the people and scientists come together and put all effort by their heart and they are coming up with certain things. One latest example we had seen about the COVID-19, you know that development of vaccine in normal way is a process of 6 to 7 years where every aspect is to be checked properly and make the corresponding changes. But we do have proud of our scientists that within 1 year, on December 22nd, India has come up with the vaccine. Of course, this was a crisis period. They had concised the things and they had come up with certain type of it, but it has come out. So this is the potential of our country and people, and we know that this is being formed by our faculty and our students. One day they are going to the research organization, they are going to the certain domain area organization, and they are able to do it. All these scientists who has developed this, they were the student of our university system, and they had been taught by our faculty like you. So this is the moral boosting, confidence boosting example which we do have in immediate past. Looking upon the different domain and making it availability as per the vision of national education policy, yesterday we did have our executive council meeting. There we had started implementation in part and part to the national education policy. And yesterday one important decision which has been taken, that we are going to provide the knowledge and subject of different domains as audit course. They are not the part of your degree or curriculum, but it is an opportunity to develop on their own interest. And initially I am going to share you my feeling that our ancient people were having great depth of knowledge. And when we came across in 16th and 17th century, the industrial revolution and other instrumentation with the physical knowledge, physical laws after Newton and Einstein in the 19th century, Newton in the 17th century, certain law and their mathematical expression, and those were the basis. During this period, our scientists, what I feel, they forget about their ancient knowledge, which was all by the meditation and all jnana and yoga and everything. And our scientific group committed one mistake, that they started looking with suspicious eye to this old knowledge. And the shortest way for them to project, they are the progressive, they are coming with the latest, and they are the scientists of latest time. They started criticizing it rather than they had not paid any attention to the knowledge. And here the greatest mistake of all the scientific community all over the globe, this is my feeling I am sharing, they had committed like this. We have to go back to the knowledge which we had already acquired with the modern scientific tools, techniques, and whatever we do have. And looking upon with this thing, I am going to start astrotechnology and introducing this astrotechnology subject, which will be making the Bhaskaracharya and other people, great people, their knowledge with the way of astronomy. And we are going to fuse this technology, the computer science, the machine learning, auto learning, interference, and inferring the knowledge from the data. That particular subject we are going to introduce within the next month. We are in the process already to go for it, making it syllabi. And we know that many of our faculties and students, although they are pursuing the domain of, serving the domain of technology, but they are having natural instinct towards the astrology, what the future will be there, how it can be, how it is being governed, what are the rules, what are the effects of Graha, Nakshatra, everything. So like that, with the new scientific knowledge and capabilities, can we go and explore what we had gone, what we had achieved in earlier days? That is my point, and we are going to start. This is my pleasure that I am going to share with all the faculty, and definitely through the faculty it will be shared to the students, and this type of things, and your suggestions and involvement and willingness will always be welcome. So in the initial stage, we are going to do one thing, and secondly, we are going to create a high-level committee which will be looking for the rigid and well-defined structure which is existing with the university for carrying out all the activities, academic activities. Now, new education policy or national education policy says that we should go for all flexibility to be incorporated in this system. This is a great challenge, and for this we are coming up with a dedicated high-level committee who will be looking upon the rules, regulation, ordinance, acts of the university, and how the vision and flexibility of national education policy can be fused and imbibed in what are the changes which are needed to be incorporated in the act of university. That is the way we are going to start. But anyway, this was something related or non-related with today's topic, but it is somewhere related that we had to go for applying this machine learning towards the old and ancient knowledge which was based on the meditation and experience only. So anyway, today's function, I am delighted and happy that we had with us as guest of honor, Colonel B. Venkat, and I would like to express my joyful feelings for the presence of a special committee, project monitoring committee under the headship of Dr. Matharu and his member Dr. Patel and Manoj Verma. Today's function is being coordinated, well coordinated, very efficiently coordinated by Madam Padmavati and its colleagues, and it is being well supported by the institute, director and principal, Professor Gupta ji. So this is the combined effort where Dr. R.N. Khare has provided a cushion from all the direction, and he's dealing with implementation of this FDP, which we had already aimed at. So any program, any learning, it is just, I want to submit that it is not one person effort. It is the effort of all of us. Nobody is big or bigger. Everybody is big and bigger. With this thought, I express my best wishes for the success of this particular workshop, and I hope that the participants and faculty will not only be going through it by the knowledge, by the sake of certification, but by the hands, behind the hands, art is their work. Definitely, this is the key for success in any area, every area of your life, and this is what I share, and I expect from all of my faculty all over the country who are participating here. Once again, with thanks and best wishes to all the participants and organizing people. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you,
very much.
sir. Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.
One more thing I would
Thank
like
you very
to
much, sir. Your thought-provoking address set a perfect platform
एक में BC सर
for
कुछ
all
बोलना
of
चाहते
us.
हैं श्वेता जरा
Now,
दो
in
मिनट
continuation, I would like to welcome
श्वेता
Dr. R.N. Patel, sir, monitoring committee member of this FDP.
अरे श्वेता
Dr.
दो
Patel is working as an associate professor.
श्वेता एक मिनट
Just a minute.
just wait, Shweta.
हाँ
We know your pressure is there, how to conduct and what to do. But certain thing I just wanted to add that kindly let me inform about the lecture of Colonel Venkat on the national education policy. Kindly ring me so that I can also listen him and his.
yes sir.
Thank you.
जरूर yes sir. Thank you sir.
All the best.
Yes sir. Thank you
Now
sir.
come on, Shweta, please go ahead.
हाँ सर ने वेडनेसडे को बोला है सर देने के लिए 4
Yes,
मैं आपको रिंग करूंगा सर yes sir.
Yes. Make me a gentle reminder.
yes sir. हाँ श्वेता
कंटिन्यू कीजिए.
कंटिन्यू yes. हाँ श्वेता कंटिन्यू.
जी सर. Thank you very much, sir. Now, in continuation, I would like to welcome Dr. R.N. Patel, sir, monitoring committee member of this FDP. Dr. Patel is working as an associate professor in Department of Electrical Engineering, NIT Raipur, Chhattisgarh. Dr. Patel is a recipient of prestigious Career Award for Young Teachers from All India Council for Technical Education, New Delhi. Dr. Patel is strongly involved in social innovation with a vision to benefit and economically empower the rural population and youth of country. With this explicit view, he plays a lead role in implementing Startup India mission in Chhattisgarh to promote an outcome-based innovation and research. Once again, I welcome you, sir. Now, it's my immense pleasure to welcome Dr. K.K. Verma, sir, Registrar CSVTU Bhilai. Dr. K.K. Verma, sir, always supported BIT in every aspect. I, on behalf of BIT Durg, welcomes you, sir. A dynamic persona who guides and ignites us to a path from all to a path not all traversed, a perfect blend of excellent managerial skills and quick decision maker, Dr. Arun Arora sir, Director BIT Durg, under whose guidance and leadership BIT augmented in every positive direction, and without his support, the teachers training program could not be possible. Though due to some reason, sir is not present in this inaugural function, but I welcome sir, and also I am very thankful to sir on behalf of Department of CSE. Once again, I welcome our chief guest, Dr. Colonel B. Venkat sir and Dr. M.K. Verma ji to this program. Last but not the least, I welcome all the dignitaries, speakers and participants to 6 days FDP or Teachers Training Program on machine learning using Python. Hope we all will have knowledgeable time ahead. Now for vote of thanks, I would like to call Dr. Partha Roy sir, coordinator of this FDP BIT. Thanks one and all. Roy sir, please.
Thank you, ma'am. Am I audible to all?
हाँ, आवाज आ रही है, आवाज आ रही है.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir. I, Dr. Partha Roy, Associate Professor on the behalf of the Department of Computer Science Engineering, BIT Durg, want to propose a vote of thanks to all the invitees present in this magnificent gathering. I thank our chief guest, Professor M.K. Verma, sir, Honorable Vice Chancellor, Chhattisgarh Swami Vivekananda Technical University, Bhilai, for his continuous support. I thank guest of honor, Colonel Dr. B. Venkat, Director, FDC, AICT, New Delhi, for sparing his precious time for us. I thank our patrons, Dr. K.K. Verma, sir, Registrar, CSVTU, Dr. Arun Arora, sir, Director, BIT Durg, Dr. Mohan Gupta, sir, Principal, BIT Durg, for their unending moral support. I thank Dr. R.N. Khare, sir, Coordinator, CSVTU, AICT, FDP, and Principal V.C. Lakhanpur for his valuable guidance. I thank Monitoring Committee member Dr. S.P.S. Matharu, sir, for his continuous visits, future visits in the online sessions. I thank Dr. M.V. Padmavati, ma'am, Head of the Department, Computer Science Engineering, BIT Durg, for her relentless, continuous hard work for coordinating this online teachers training program. I thank all the faculty members of the Department of Computer Science and Engineering for taking various responsibilities so that this 1 week online teachers training program becomes a grand success. I thank all the participants for their enthusiasm and participation. With these words, I pray to God Almighty for the success of this online teachers training program and hope this online training adds value, a great value to the knowledge base of everyone involved in this program. Thank you so much, everyone. Jai Hind, Jai Chhattisgarh.
थैंक यू, थैंक यू. एक्चुअली सेंट्रल यूनिवर्सिटी और एनआईटी आईआईटी के जो रिसोर्स पर्सन आए हैं उन सभी को बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद. सेंट्रल यूनिवर्सिटी डॉक्टर सीपी देवांगन साहब भी प्रेजेंट हैं. आपका भी स्वागत है सर यहाँ इस मंच पर. और अगला सेशन कितने बजे स्टार्ट होगा पार्थराव?
अभी थोड़ी देर में चालू हो जाएगा सर.
तो स्टार्ट कर सकते हैं तो कर दीजिए. ऑनरेबल वीसी साहब प्रेजेंट हैं तो सुनना चाहेंगे.
जी, अभी पवन पटनायक सर से रिक्वेस्ट करेंगे कि आगे का प्रोसीडिंग्स के जो है देखें.
हम लोग शुरू कर रहे हैं सर, क्योंकि थोड़ा सा ब्रेक है तो हाँ 1.5 आवर के बाद थोड़ा हाँ सर
जी
12
12:15 से होगा सर नेक्स्ट.
राइट.
ठीक.
ओके.
तो बीसी सर की अनुमति से सर प्रोग्राम को यहीं खत्म किया जाए सर.
राइट.
इनॉग्रेशन यही है सर.
राइट.
थैंक यू सर. थैंक
यू वेरी मच.
धन्यवाद सर. थैंक यू.
राइट.
थैंक यू वेरी मच सर.
थैंक यू श्वेता, आपने अच्छा एंकरिंग किया. धन्यवाद.
Thank you, sir.
थैंक यू. अथारू साहब धन्यवाद सर. थैंक यू सर. राय साहब की तबीयत ठीक है?
हाँ सर, अभी बेटर हूँ सर. वीकनेस बहुत ज्यादा है, फिर भी ठीक है सर.
नहीं, ध्यान दीजिए स्वास्थ्य का. पद्मावती मैडम, आप अच्छा प्रोग्राम आपने किया.
थैंक यू सर.
आपको धन्यवाद. और गुप्ता सर क्या हाल चाल है? तो ये देखिए बीआईटी कॉलेज जो बाहर से लोग आए हुए हैं, मैं उनको बताना चाहूंगा कि बीआईटी कॉलेज मतलब छत्तीसगढ़ राज्य के टॉप मोस्ट इंस्टीट्यूशन में आता है. यहाँ मैं 13 साल करीब काम किया हूँ. मेरा कैरियर यहीं से स्टार्ट हुआ है. तो मतलब मुझे लगता है कि बीआईटी जो क्वालिटी एजुकेशन में मेंटेन कर रहा है वो छत्तीसगढ़ राज्य में ऐसे कॉलेज लोगों को शिक्षा लेना चाहिए और राष्ट्र के अन्य कॉलेजों को भी देखना चाहिए. ये बहुत बड़ा अचीवमेंट है एक्चुअली. और हमने हमारे वीसी साहब ने इन्हीं कॉलेजों के जो टॉप प्रायोरिटी लेवल कॉलेजों को ही प्राथमिकता देते हुए हमने उसी तरह से कोशिश की है कि चयन जो किया है कि सारे कॉलेज उसमें सम्मिलित और अच्छी तरह से प्रोग्राम करें। बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद सर। और मुझे लगता है अब ब्रेक दिया है और उसके बाद आप समय का थोड़ा ध्यान रखेंगे। और इसमें गुप्ता सर से मेरा आग्रह है, गुप्ता सर मेरे सीनियर भी हैं एक्चुअली, इसमें AICTE में अटेंडेंस का बड़ा महत्वपूर्ण है सर। अटेंडेंस जो है 80% अटेंडेंस के नीचे सर्टिफिकेट नहीं दिया जाएगा। इवन कोई स्टूडेंट 100% अटेंड करता है तो यदि वो परीक्षा में फेल हो जाएगा तो उसको सर्टिफिकेट नहीं मिलेगा। इसलिए आप लोग सभी लोग 80% अटेंडेंस, 60% पासिंग मार्क। और दूसरा निर्देश ये है कि ऑनलाइन में कोई बच्चे लोग करते, टीचर आते हैं जाते हैं, आते हैं जाते हैं, और वो ऑनलाइन का बहाना मारते हैं कि नेटवर्क इशू है। यदि 30 मिनट से भी ज्यादा कोई एब्सेंट रहता है एक सेशन में, उसे उस दिन का एब्सेंट माना जाएगा। तो 2 निर्देश बड़े महत्वपूर्ण है, बाकी तो सब ठीक है सर। थैंक यू सर। थैंक यू कर्नल साहब, बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद सभी लोगों को। ऑनरेबल VC साहब,
Thank you, sir. Thank you very much, sir. Thank you, Mohan Gupta, sir.
हाँ मैडम, थैंक यू। अब मैं भी लीव करूं?
हाँ सर।
ठीक है
सर
thank
वो NEP का प्रोग्राम होगा तो हम आपको बताएंगे।
वो
तो
कब है? कब है वो?
वो वेंसडे को आज ही है सर, लास्ट 3rd सेशन में है।
ठीक है, लिंक
4 to 5 सर।
हाँ 4 to 5 है सर।
ठीक है, मैं अटेंड करूंगा, लिंक भेज दीजिए मुझे। ठीक है,
हाँ हाँ
ठीक
ठीक।
ओके, थैंक यू मैडम, थैंक यू।
Thank you, sir.
हाँ, अच्छा प्रोग्राम हो गया, बढ़िया, ठीक है, थैंक यू।
Thank you, sir. सारे पार्टिसिपेंट्स को रिक्वेस्ट करूंगी कि अभी नेक्स्ट सेशन के लिए आप अपना माइक को ऑन करके ऑफ करके रखिएगा। कोई आवाज नहीं आनी चाहिए। 2 लिंक्स में मत लॉग इन होइए। एंड बी प्रेजेंट फॉर द होल सेशन एंड नोट डाउन फॉर फ्रॉम ईच सेशन द क्वेश्चंस विल बी गिवन एट द एंड ऑफ द प्रोग्राम on 31st. On the 31st May, we will conduct an exam with MCQs in which you should score 60% marks. Otherwise, certificates will not be issued. And again, we will monitor how many hours you are spending in this link. And accordingly, the attendance will be given. So I request all the participants to be present in the first link. First link, log in into the first link only. If it is not available, our faculty will log in into the second link. Okay, all the participants are requested to be in the first link and attend the complete session, because we are inviting very knowledgeable persons. Means हम लोग किसी न किसी को नहीं लेके आए हैं. Only they are experts in the machine learning. We are invited only the people who are experts in the machine learning. So please attend the lectures. Don't attend the program for the certification purpose, but attend it for the knowledge purpose. I hope this program will be useful to you and fruitful to you. Thank you. And we'll meet in the next session, okay? Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am. We will meet at 12:15.
12:15.